Without SoftServe, we couldn't have ramped up that quickly. If we don't get it right, we don't have a business. It's that simple.
We are a 32-year-old software business. We've been around a long time. Our customers love what we do, but they were repeatedly asking us for things that we knew we couldn't do in a sort of a legacy desktop scenario. If you look in the world of tax, it's really interesting. You've probably seen more change in the last 5 years than we had done in the previous 20. What we're seeing now is a significant requirement to connect up the software to other parts of the business, be that finance systems or workflow systems or even things like Microsoft Teams. So the ability for us to kind of open up our product to enable some of these connectivity options is fantastic. One real area where we've totally changed the game is how customers gather data. So at the start of this program, we went out and talked to loads of our customers, big customers, small customers, and actually the thing that they consistently told us was that getting data into the product was a real challenge because of the way they worked, because of Excel, and the systems they were using. So we fundamentally revisited that. We've built some brand new technology that actually delivers it in a totally different way. And again, it comes back to cloud, right? We wouldn't have been able to do this in a desktop scenario. So that's why we've done this, which will enable people to much more closely work together.
So what I want to do is bring together tax knowledge, which is 100% perfect, great software which our clients can rely on, together with cloud technology which is provided by one of the best providers there is. That tax software has to be right first time, every time. If we don't get it right, we don't have a business. It's that simple, and that sets the bar for our next product. So that's one of the real advantages of working with SoftServe, is how we accelerate from a standing start into 6 or 7 Scrum teams. Onboarding in the UK, finding the people, finding the skills and ramping up slowly would be way too long for our project. Working with SoftServe, they provide that skill set right from the CTO right down to the designers all the way through, and they can do it in a way that's rapid, but they've got standard processes which then allows us to integrate together. Okay, so without SoftServe, we couldn't have ramped up that quickly and achieved what we have already. One of the interesting parts of working with SoftServe is actually the cultural aspect. So Tax Systems is a very small company, it's about 125 people, and SoftServe is a huge organisation with a massive range of skills within their organisation. But of course you've got to meld those two cultures together. Now it always comes back to people. So we've got a single Scrum Master that runs our 6 SoftServe teams, integrated with our product definition team. So actually essentially we're one family of about 80 to 90 people working on a single project. One of the first challenges we face when talking to clients about moving to the cloud is data. They almost don't care about the tax software, they care about their data and where it lives. So we've got to work with a provider such as SoftServe that understands security standards, latest protocols, but we've got to get that message across. So it's got to be first-rate technology to protect our clients' data. Looking back at the journey, what we've got is we've taken tax systems from an on-premise provider through to being a SaaS provider of tax compliance software. We've done that journey with SoftServe, which has been great. The next part is how do we provide that software to our clients so they can get the big benefits of tax compliance software in the cloud.
And that's a wrap.
Yay!